Hi there. Welcome to the ingredient channel where I share easy to follow homemade Chinese recipes. In this episode, I'm going to share a sweet and sour beet salad recipe from the northeastern Chinese cuisine. While the flavors of northern Chinese food are typically rich, bold, and salty, this salad is famous for its freshness, light, sweet, and sour tastes, which is served in feasts to balance the rich, salty flavor of the other main dishes. We're gonna need 1.5 cup of white radish, half a cup of carrot, and 1 cup of beets. Since this is a salad recipe, the freshness of the vegetables is pivotal. Fresh and organic versions are highly recommended. Peel the carrot and radish and the beet. And cut them into very thin shreds, as thin as you can manage. To achieve the result, we need to cut thin slices first. Start with the carrot. Cut 1 or 2 slices from one side to form a flat surface. Place the flat surface down so that it is easy to hold the veggies. Otherwise, the round surface is very hard to hold steady in one place. Keep slicing. And then let's pile the slices evenly. Shred as thin as possible. Take your time. Make every cut as thin as possible. Put the carrot aside and repeat the same steps with the white radish. Remove any of the dark brown spots. Other types of radishes work too. I prefer the white one for its sweetness. Finally, let's shred the beets. If I have more than one type of vegetables to cut, beet typically will be the last one that gets to my chopping board, as its red color could stain everything. Transfer the beets to a separate container, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon sugar. Mix and set aside. Two teaspoons of salt, 1.5 tablespoon sugar to the radish and carrot. Mix and also set aside. After about 20 minutes, squeeze out the juice from the radish and carrot. Squeeze as hard as you can. Lay the shreds evenly on a plate. And we're going to squeeze the beet as well, and then put it on top of the radish and carrot shred. One teaspoon of red chili powder, some cilantro, and sesame seeds for garnishment. Last step, drizzle 1.5 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar on top. Serve, and remember to mix well before consuming. It is crisp, sour, and sweet, very fresh. Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.